Bad posture does not cause scoliosis. There, I said it, you know it now, but scoliosis can wreck your posture. So today I'm going to show you how to spot the difference, when to act early, and what scoliosis specific treatment actually looks like. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and no, bad posture alone does not cause scoliosis. Does that mean you can slouch and it's okay to sit weird or slump over your computer or phone? No, absolutely not. But here's the deal. Scoliosis can absolutely cause poor posture. Now, that might sound confusing, so let's clear that up right now. Scoliosis is not just standing crooked or looking uneven in pictures. It's a spinal condition where the spine curves sideways and also rotates. That rotation is a key detail because it means scoliosis is more than just sitting incorrectly or rounding your shoulders while you're doom scrolling on the couch. But your posture still matters. Poor posture can place uneven stress on the spine, irritate muscles and joints, affect disc and nerve health, and contribute to pain and stiffness. So yes, your posture matters a lot. It's just not the root cause of scoliosis. Think of it like this. Poor posture is often a habit, a compensation, or a spinal imbalance. Scoliosis is a structural spinal condition. The confusion usually starts when someone notices, one shoulder sitting higher than the other, the hips looking uneven, or maybe the body is leaning to one side and thinks, I just need to stand up straighter. Well, probably, but those can also be early signs of scoliosis, especially in children and teens during growth spurts. In many mild cases, these types of postural changes are the first visible clue. So a few things to watch for are uneven shoulders, one shoulder blade looking more prominent than the other, an uneven waistline, the hips, look off center, maybe a rib is more prominent on one side, maybe you're leaning to one side, and then even while wearing clothes, shirts or jackets hanging unevenly for no apparent reason. Now, that's not a diagnosis. It's just a reason to look deeper. Because early detection matters because smaller, more flexible curves often respond easier than curves that have progressed and become more rigid over time. So, if poor posture doesn't cause scoliosis, what helps when scoliosis is affecting the posture? Well, if the spine itself has changed its shape, posture reminders alone won't fix the underlying issue. So let's talk about two non-surgical approaches that can help. One is called ScoliBalanced, and it's a customized scoliosis-specific exercise program built around the person's curve pattern, the severity, body type, and the posture. It can and often does include corrective exercises, breathing methods, and movement strategies designed to improve muscle balance, spinal support, flexibility, and postural awareness. So instead of just random stretches from the internet, it aims to give the body a specific game plan. Number two, there's ScoliBrace, and this is a custom corrective brace designed to work alongside exercise. It places the spine in a more overcorrected position to help guide alignment and reinforce better body positioning. Think about this like when orthodontists put braces on teeth to correct the structure of the mouth and the teeth. Now, this can be especially useful in growing children and teens because younger spines are often more flexible and responsive, but this still works with adults too. So the big takeaway is this. If scoliosis is causing posture changes, the smartest move is to usually treat the scoliosis itself, not just doing random posture exercises. But yes, improving posture can still help with confidence, comfort, movement, and how your body feels day to day. But posture coaching alone is not the same as scoliosis care. If you're concerned about possible scoliosis because maybe you noticed 1, 2, 3 of those signs that we talked about, there's a simple at-home screening called ScoliScreen. It's a web-based tool that walks you through 8 easy steps, takes about 2 minutes, and gives you a risk level score with clear next steps. And regardless of what that result said, If you have any concerns at all, definitely reach out to me or leave a comment below. And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.